In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message host on Airbnb. If you found a place you like and want to clarify something before booking, messaging the host is quick and straightforward. Start by opening the property page for the listing you're considering. This is the main listing page with the photos, price, and description. Scroll a bit beneath the description area and look for the contact host option. Click or tap it to open a message window where you can type directly to the host. When the message box opens, keep your note clear, polite, and specific. Briefly introduce yourself, share any essential trip details, and then get to your main question. Clear questions help hosts answer faster and avoid back and forth. Here's a simple example you can use or adapt. Hi, I'm interested in booking your place. Do you offer additional cleaning services during the stay? If yes, what is the cost and how can I arrange it? That short template covers the what, the cost, and the how, which are the core things you'll want to know. After you send your message, give the host some time to reply. Many hosts respond within a few hours, though it can vary based on their time zone and schedule. Keep an eye on your Airbnb inbox and notifications so you don't miss their response. If you need to clarify something else, it's perfectly fine to reply in the same thread. Keeping everything in one conversation makes it easier for both you and the host to track details. Before you finalize anything, make sure you've confirmed the key points related to your question. For cleaning services, that means you should have a clear understanding of the cleaning fee amount, the schedule for when cleanings happen during the stay, and the payment method the host expects. If any of those details aren't explicit in the first reply, send a quick follow-up asking for specifics so there are no surprises later. And that's it. Open the listing, click Contact Host, send a concise and courteous message, and wait for the reply. A clear message sets the tone for a smooth stay and helps you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you feel confident reaching out to a host before you book.